In this video, you're going to learn how to build and assemble B1 battle droids. Let's get started. B1 battle droids. How do we go from sprue to cool? Wow, assembled anyway. Step number one, you're going to have your sprue. Lay that down. Next, you're going to need glue. I recommend plastic glue. Any type of plastic glue will do. Next, get yourself a sprue cutter. Yes, little clippers. Next up, you're going to want to look and identify the letters of your droid. Right there is one B1. That's the second B1. When you clip, you're going to want to look at things like the backpack. Clip as close as you can to the model, gently and firmly. Continue this process with all of the pieces. Once all of your pieces are clipped off of the sprue, you can set this sprue aside and we can begin assembling our first B1. Take your plastic glue and you're going to glue the head together. So you take one side of the head. I like to hold on to the long side because there's a little more surface area to grab onto. And you're going to gently dab a tiny amount of glue onto the head. I'm going to take the other side of the head, hold on to that, I'm going to piece the two together, and then I'm going to firmly press until I have a good connection there. And I'm going to gently press again, do a little rub, make sure it's very well connected. Set the head aside. He's going to dry as I put on the legs. Next up, put a tiny amount of glue onto the legs, and make sure again you have the correct facing, so his little dot there is the front. Right leg. And then left side. I'm going to glue his backpack on. So I'm going to take some glue, put it into the middle of the back area. Then we take the backpack itself, and you notice that there's a little line. So you go from the top, you pull it down until it fits snug. Press in, do a little wiggle, and it is now secure. Next up, the arms. I like to do it this way. Inside the front of the rifle, there's a little spot. You're going to put some glue. You're going to take the left arm, and you're going to put the left arm inside so that it looks pretty much like it would if it's on his body. Now, I can do this two ways. I can let this gun be drying as I put the head on, or I can go ahead and try to put this on. I think it'll be okay. So instead of putting glue on the bit that I'm going to be holding, I'm going to be putting it on the body itself. With these ball sockets, I'm going to put a gentle amount and dab a gentle amount there. Then I'm going to take the left arm, I'm going to pull it, and then I pull the right side around. Then I'm going to have each side, I'm just going to press gently. From there, you can see that the gun, once I fit it facing upwards, I can then gently put it down until I like where it's facing. In this case, it's facing a little bit upwards. That's a-okay. Finally, I put a little glue on the top of the neck, then fit the head, pressing the head against the neck, and turning the head to face appropriately. The great thing about the plastic glue is you can do a lot of adjustment while it dries. So now you've got a fully completed B1 battle droid ready to go. All you have to do now is do the other 9. You know how to build a B1 battle droid. So good luck assembling your forces. I'm John Caspian. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that good old bell notification to see any of our new videos as they come out. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next Giga Hobby.